Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Moto Z4, and this is the unboxing. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Moto Z4. I actually picked this up from Best Buy. This is the Verizon variant, but it does come unlocked. I'm not sure how it will work with other brands, but I actually picked it up for 150 bucks. After you add a new line and you have to go through all that stuff, but you just have to make sure that you cancel within 3 days. And you don't have to pay the activation fee. It is all over Slick Deals. I will have a link down below if you guys want to check out the deal itself. But back to the actual phone itself. This is the box that it actually comes with, and it does have a mod for Verizon that you can actually make this phone a 5G phone, but the price on it is a little bit crazy. As a matter of fact, it is crazy. It's about $350 for the mod, but they had a bunch of promos where they had it for free with the phone if you have Verizon, but I would definitely just wait on a phone that's around the same price for 370 bucks, or just wait on a promo. I highly doubt that mod will actually sell if you don't have 5G in your area anyways. But here's the unboxing. It does have a Snapdragon 675 processor, so it's not a high-end processor. I'm not sure why they went with that processor, but the price tag is $499. So here's what you get in the box itself. You get a Hello Moto thing there. In the back, it's compatible with Moto Mod. If you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. This is the phone itself. Just take a look at it. It's really nice, guys. It's thin. It still has that camera bump, but it does have a 48 megapixel sensor on the back. But for some reason, there's only one sensor now. So that's a little bit weird because a lot of their latest phones do have two sensors on them. So here's what you get in the box. You do have your Type-C to Type-A cable, and you have your Super Turbo power brick right over here. So if you guys want a fast charge, you definitely can. But if you guys are interested in the specs, I will actually have that link down below as well. But it does have 128 gigabyte of internal storage. So let's just pop this off right here. Now, I did actually already unbox this, and I'm definitely impressed with it so far. It does have only one speaker up top, but if you do buy the Moto Mod, you could definitely get this thing popping, and it does have a headphone jack, which I am definitely happy with that. Type-C and all that good stuff. 4 gigabytes of RAM on this, a 3600 milliamp battery, and it does have a 6.4 inch screen. So let's just power this baby on, and it's a very nice screen, guys. I'm definitely feeling that. And you do have the water drop notch up there, which is pretty dope as well, and it is running Pi as well. So I'm not sure what type of updates you will actually get on this phone, because their track record is not that great when it comes to updates with their Moto phones ever since they left from Lenovo. So if you guys have any questions about the Moto Z4, let me know down in the comments below. I have been using it for the last 12 hours. I'm definitely impressed with the face unlock. Now, with the fingerprint scanner, it's really not that great. I can show you guys right now. So this is the fingerprint scanner. So it has a slow animation over there, and it takes a while to actually unlock. So it's not like super fast, but it's definitely not the slowest. And if you actually set up your face unlock, you won't even have to use it. But personally, I don't think the face unlock is very secure at all. So if you guys want a little bit of a comparison of what it looks like next to a OnePlus 7 Pro, we could definitely do that as well. Side by side, you see what it looks like. The OnePlus 7 Pro is taller, but it looks like the Z4. It's not wide at all, but it's so weird how they have the speaker up top like that. That is very awkward. Let's see what else phone I got next to me. This is the Pixel 3a, and this is the Pixel 3a. What it looks like next to the Pixel 3a. That's inside the case, by the way. And the G8, we can see what that looks like right there. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the Moto Z4. Are you guys gonna pick one up? Are you guys gonna hop on that deal on the one that I hopped on? So basically I paid $120 plus $33 for the taxes. So basically $153. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Moto Z4 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.